Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you what are the help options in the Curry 9 software. Let's switch to Curry and take a look at the main menu in the user interface. The last entry is Help, and here we have access to an installation guide, the user guide, and the tutorials. Let's open, for example, the installation guide. Here we can look at the contents, and the same applies for the user guide and the tutorials. There are also printable versions of these documents in addition to a multilingual instructions for use document. You can also look at the license information, you can check for updates, you can review the release notes, and you can also directly send an email to the Curry help desk. I will do this, my email program will come up, and I can now write an email to the Curry help desk with some information attached, such as the Curry version that I'm using and some details about my hardware. Other than that, if we would like to use the tutorials, we can also download the tutorial data. And also important to say is that regardless of the license status, that is whether or not a license is active, Curry will always show the help menu. This means that even if your dongle or license is not active at the moment, you will be able to see the help documents. Let me now show you the context-sensitive help available in Curry. For this, I will open a study, and I will click on this question mark icon in the main toolbar. This will add a question mark to my mouse cursor, and I can now click on any part of the user interface, and this will bring the corresponding entry in the user guide. Equivalent to this is to just use the mouse cursor and press the F1 key in my keyboard, which is what I will do now. My mouse is on frequency domain. I will press F1, and this will bring the entry in the user guide corresponding to frequency domain. To summarize, in this video, we have shown the options for obtaining help in the Curry software. We showed how to access the installation guide, user guide, and tutorials, and showed some other options in the help menu. It is important to remember that these help options and the documents are available always, regardless of the license status. We also showed the context-sensitive functionality to obtain help in the user interface. Thank you for your attention.